Pet Hair Eraser Turbo can clean many different surfaces. We'll show you how. To turn the vacuum on, plug it into a grounded outlet and press the power switch to the on position. Next, turn the brush roll switch on to use the power brush for carpet cleaning. You'll know the brush roll is on when the light on the switch is illuminated. For bare floors, make sure the switch is in the off position. Next, gently step on the base and pull back the handle to recline. Your vacuum has an adjustable floor type setting that provides easy multi-surface cleaning. Slide the setting down for high pile or plush carpet and up for bare floors. If you're having difficulty pushing, move the setting closer to high pile or plush carpet until it gets easier to push. Your vacuum also has several above-floor cleaning tools. The quick release extension wand detaches from the handle to clean hard-to-reach spaces. It also works with the 2-in-1 pet brush. The stretch hose can be removed from the extension wand. To do so, twist the hose from the back of the wand to remove. You can connect the tools directly to the hose. When you're done using the above-floor tools, put the hose back on the wand. Then put the wand back on the vacuum by sliding it into place. That's it! We hope you found these tips useful and are now ready to begin your cleaning.
The #1 rated bagged vacuum in the industry is the Kenmore Elite Pet-Friendly Upright. Dirt and debris are no match for the beltless inducer motor, which is 20% more powerful than conventional Kenmore uprights. The power flow design helps airflow evenly as the bag fills for optimal power and performance, so you have the power you need to get the job done. From plush carpet to hardwood, the Kenmore Upright has a 5-position height adjustment for varying floor surfaces. An infrared dirt sensor sees dirt that you don't by activating an LED so you know when the floors are clean. The Kenmore Upright has also been certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. The HEPA media filtration traps dust, dander, and pollen while capturing 99.97% of irritants as small as 0.3 micron, so exhaust air is cleaner. Kenmore's HEPA-certified cloth bags add another layer of filtration, so cleanup is virtually dust-free. A telescoping wand and attachments tackle all the hard-to-reach areas in your home. And the Pet Handymate easily lifts away stubborn pet hair. The #1 rated Kenmore Pet-Friendly Upright Vacuum. Kenmore.
Dyson's latest vacuum is the only one to use a laser. It's precisely angled to reveal invisible dust. The slim, fluffy cleaner head's anti-static carbon fiber filaments pick up those microscopic particles. Suction is increased when needed, thanks to this special sensor, which counts each size and gives you scientific proof. It also comes with Dyson's pioneering technology, a high-torque cleaner head that automatically adjusts across different floors and dust amounts. 14 redesigned cyclones to maintain no loss of suction, the power of this hyperdymium motor, and 5-stage filtration capturing 99.99% of dust. For the most powerful, deep clean, all around your home. Buy direct from the people who made it. Free delivery.